drink this and goodbye to your health problems. This is a very delicious and healthy juice. Using this powerful juice, you can cleanse the liver and purify the blood of your body so that you have a healthier life. One of the main compounds of this juice is beet. This fruit contains a lot of iron, which strengthens the blood that goes through the liver and cleanses and detoxifies it. Beetroot also combats inflammatory, cardiovascular and carcinogenic diseases due to its high content of magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin C and fiber. Another important ingredient of this are carrots. They help you stay healthy by supporting your immune system. They also help the eye and are rich in antioxidants. Carrots increase red blood cells and hemoglobin. They also protect the arteries and fight infections. The next ingredient in this powerful juice is the apple. This provides vitamins and nutrients that our body needs. They are powerful in helping the digestive system, helping with better digestion. Another ingredient of this powerful juice is radish. They are very good for the liver and stomach. They also increase the oxygen in the blood. These are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and enzymes. And finally we show the last two ingredients, that is the celery and garlic, that strengthen and help the liver. These contain fiber, calcium, magnesium and very low in calories. They are also responsible for eliminating all waste, toxins and fats from our body. When you start taking this powerful beet juice, you will realize the difference you will feel in your body to feel with more energy and better health. You must take it 3 times a day for 5 or 7 days and you will see tremendous